Hello boaters, we've got the motor started now and it's running really nice. The Palmer used to be an M60, it's now a Palmer 60, pieces of P and M in it, and we've rebuilt the whole engine. It's just purring very, very nicely. Got the wiring bypassing the kill switch for the moment, but you can see we've got good oil pressure, and we're going to move all the way around here. Custom flywheel paint job, so the flywheel sticks out from the rest of the engine. I always do that on the Palmer 60s because it is exposed and it does move. As we come around this side, we can see the original Palmer manifold that was powder coated by the owner a while back. In my most recent effort with it, completely rebuilt a whole damn new mixture of carburation, and it runs just really great. Brand new fuel pump there, and a little stubby piece of exhaust pipe there. You can kind of see, I'll put my hand down there. Very smooth. It'd be pretty quiet if I had a muffler, but just idle along really good. We'll go through the shifting here. Shift it into forward, and I gotta jiggle around to kind of do that. Pull it back out, and I'm going to tighten that up. It's a little too loose. And then we also can go in reverse, and if you notice the output steering is coupling with the steering wheel. And we'll come back into neutral, come to a stop, and then we'll drag forward. Had to change the water pump out completely on this one. The old one wasn't adequate, but as you can see, this one is pumping out a nice stream of water here, and this is warm, so I can stick my finger in it. Oh yeah, 100 degrees as well. Alright, we've got it running now. Kind of dialed things in a little bit. Adjusted the forward and the reverse shift settings, so they work real well now. Have the carburetor dialed in a little bit also for the base idle speed and the richness. And coming back around again, looking at the front end. We've got the oil pressure showing. I will be taking that off before it's delivered and putting a plug there instead for the sender. We've got a sender unit for it as well. And coming around here, you notice also the kill switch is wired in. So it's doing its job, it's letting it run, it's got oil pressure. So here it is again. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful Palmer 60 engine. Because the owner cares so much about it, we did this special paint job back here on the transmission cover. And I zoom in so you can